I'm not here for people who are falling apart. I'm here for people who are doing just fine, but feel like something is off. You've got a job, you're stable, you're not in crisis, but something feels misaligned. Not depressed, not broken, just compressed. It's like you're wearing a version of your life that used to fit, but now it just feels uncomfortable. And that feeling, that is not trauma, that is capacity mismatch. When something feels off, people think, I need to heal, I need to process, I need to understand. No. What you're feeling is your nervous system telling you that your current lifestyle cannot contain who you've become. Your income, your relationships, your routine, your identity, they were built for an older version of you. So now you're bored, you're restless, you feel unfulfilled, you feel irritated. Even though nothing is wrong, that's not dysfunction, that is evolution outgrowing its structure. High awareness people get trapped here the longest because they know I'm grateful, I have privilege, I shouldn't complain. So they live a life that works, but it doesn't expand. They call it peace, but it's actually containment without growth. A beautiful cage is still a cage, and your body knows the difference. That off feeling is your system saying there is more bandwidth, but nowhere for it to go. Most of the internet teaches fix the wound, fix the story, fix the past. But wealthy, powerful people don't run on healing, they run on capacity. Can your nervous system hold more money, more responsibility, more passion, more expansion, more pleasure? Nothing is wrong with you. Your container is too small. If you're in survival mode, this won't make sense yet. If you're in chaos, this won't land yet. This is for people who are stable but unsatisfied. People who don't want to be okay, they want to be fully expressed. People who have already fixed the pain and now they are bumping into the ceiling of their own life. That's a different problem, and most coaches don't know how to touch that. I don't motivate, I don't pep talk, I don't trauma loop. I diagnose where your system is leaking capacity. This is your identity, your environment, your relationships, your money structure, emotional bandwidth. And I show you what is quietly limiting your expansion. Not because you're broken, but because you have outgrown your current configuration. If this video made you feel seen and not sold to, that's because you're not meant to be fixed. You're meant to be recontained. The link below is a stagnation node diagnostics. It shows you what part of your system is quietly capping your life. No pressure, no hype, just truth. If this isn't you, scroll. But if it is, you already know what to do. Peace, love, and darkness. Stay rich, stay wet, and stay dangerous. El Diate, I'm up. Deuces.